again. Where is it? It's on the ground over there somewhere. Be careful. Watch where you step. It's over there on the ground somewhere.
What happened? You lost your tooth? Wow, let me see. Let me see. Let me do a close-up. Hold on.
You got one more right there.
Wow.
Push that with your tongue.
I told you to.
Okay, here.
What's that? Oh, okay.
No, she spit it out.
Did you guys find it?
No. Okay, we'll call her.
Everybody died.
Let me have this and Daddy can... Here.
You okay?
Let Daddy put some pressure and get the bleeding to stop. Let him get the bleeding to stop.
Got some pressure on it. Hey, I'm trying to hold some pressure on it.
So that would have
Hey,
stopped
let me use
bleeding.
my other hand and hold some pressure on it.
We lost the tooth.
We'll find it.
Wait, I'm holding some pressure on it. Hold on. Hold on, lift it. Wait, I'm trying to hold pressure. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, wait, let me hold some pressure on it. I'm holding pressure on it. Hold on.
Mara, look on the ground over
I'm trying to
there.
get it.
Right where you are.
Hold on, I'm holding pressure on it so it stops. Move your lip. Holding pressure on it so it stops.
You look like a little fish, Addie.
Let me hold pressure with this hand. My other hand's getting tired. We gotta go find that other tooth.
What do you think the tooth fairy's gonna bring you?
Let me hold pressure. It's almost done.
Did you find it? No, keep looking for it.
What's wrong?
Just hold pressure with a napkin. Just hold pressure.
I'm holding pressure.
Hold pressure down towards your lip.
We're gonna what? I'm holding pressure on it.
Any luck over there? It should be right there near where that candy land, where that chocolate thing landed. Addie, you're so brave.
She swallowed it.
No, she didn't. She spit it out. No, she didn't. I saw it come out.
We got some Kleenex in there. You keep on holding pressure on it.
Here, I'll help you guys look for it.